If you're an artist, writer, designer, or entrepreneur, and you want to start a hugely profitable business without the hassle of setting up inventory, then selling physical products might be a great way to monetize your creativity. But how can you exactly sell physical products and earn lots of cash? Well, let's talk about print on demand. Welcome to Money Talk, where we discuss everything related to money. And for this video, we are going to talk about what print on demand is and how to grow a print on demand business. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that like button and hit subscribe. So, as I said, whether you're an artist, writer, designer, or business person, physical products may be a great approach to commercializing your creativity. You may customize common items like t-shirts, posters, backpacks, and even books and sell them online. However, if you follow the traditional route of acquiring and sorting out your own inventory, you can end up with a stockpile of goods that aren't selling. Print-on-demand services are a smart method to prevent this issue. So, print-on-demand, then, is a low-risk, efficient approach to establishing a rather profitable company with no inventory. In addition to saving your time and dealing with logistics, you won't have to spend a lot of money keeping inventory. You may start selling through print-on-demand very quickly and for a very low price. So, how exactly is a print-on-demand business carried out? This is how it works. With print-on-demand, you will work with a supplier to create unique white label items. White labeling is the practice of using one's own branding in place of the manufacturer's. But the ability to offer the goods under your own brand on a pre-order basis is what makes print-on-demand so appealing. That implies that you are not required to make payment for the item till you have really sold it. Therefore, there is no need to keep any inventory or make large purchases. The benefit of print-on-demand services is that everything is available immediately. Your supplier will manage every aspect of the transaction, from printing to shipment. Now, you may utilize print-on-demand services in a few different ways, depending on what you want to accomplish. It may be used to test a business concept without having to pay upfront for inventory, or to test a new product line for an established company. Again, without maintaining any sort of inventory. You can use it to monetize an audience you previously established. If you're an influencer or artist who would rather concentrate on what you love rather than processing orders, printing on demand is a great option. And it's also a great business model to create original products for a niche of customers. Using print on demand is a great method for creating products quickly. Once you have the design, you can quickly produce the item and start selling it. Shipping is an additional advantage because shipping is completely taken care of by the supplier. So, shipping and fulfillment are basically taken out of your hands. You're only in charge of marketing and customer service after the sale. Additionally, since you won't be physically transporting goods, your operating expenses will be minimal. Last but not least, there is less risk because testing concepts, moving items, and changing your strategy are all made simpler. So you can use print-on-demand websites to establish a business using a drop shipping model, in which a third party manages both the items and the shipment. It's among the easiest methods to find things or launch an internet company. However, you should be aware that there are some cons when it comes to print on demand, just like everything else in the business arena. Now I know the topic gets more and more interesting from here. But I want to know if by now you think print on demand will work for you. Let me know in the comment section below so that I'll know why or why not. Now, I might know what you're thinking. If you think that designing is not for you, you don't have to worry about it. For a print-on-demand business to be successful, you don't have to be a full-time designer, you know. In the best case scenario, you have a designer friend that you can work well with. But if you don't, that's what outsourcing is for. Now, if you're not convinced yet whether you can handle such a business, don't worry. I've got you covered with some expert tips. So, firstly, you should always order samples. That's the first thing you should always do. The best way to ensure quality is to be your own customer so that you can experience firsthand what it's like to receive your products. Having said that, you should always order samples before distributing products to customers. There's always a chance that something may be misinterpreted when the design you see on your screen is translated to your printing goods. Additionally, you may confirm the overall quality of how it feels and looks by ordering samples. So, the next tip is to offer free shipping. So, free shipping is a great sales sweetener. In order to get customers to add more items to their carts and reach a specific threshold, try implementing additional free shipping. So, free shipping can be used to defend lengthier wait periods. At that time, you can choose a slower, less costly shipment option. Many customers are willing to wait a little longer for any order that they know will result in lower delivery costs. Another tip is to use mock-up pictures as these drive sales and are also an effective alternative for your product photography. So mock-up images are a powerful substitute for your product photography and aid in increasing sales. And you actually can make your own mock-ups with the aid of several print-on-demand businesses. There are various sites and a ton of free mock-up templates that may assist you clearly displaying your items by presenting them to people. And lastly, marketing is what ultimately determines the success of your business. However, if you're going after everybody, you're not actually advertising to everyone, okay? The importance of niching is due to this. You may genuinely manufacture things that are in demand by targeting a well-defined demographic. When I say well-defined demographic, it means a group, such as concentrating on dog owners, for example, since it increases your potential profitability and decreases the cost of customer acquisition. So now that you know about the print-on-demand business, are you willing to give it a try? Comment your answer down below so I'll know why or why not. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, click subscribe, and hit that notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. If you want to watch more videos, head on over to our channel to see more from Money Talk. See you!